is Mir. I am a real estate broker based in Cagayan de Oro. So I have exciting news. I would like to introduce to you the newest subdivision here in Cagayan, very near sa downtown. This is Victor's Executive Homes in Camamanan. So this is the actual site area. We are located in Camamanan, gikan sa main road. Few meters lang gid siya pasulod, no, and mo na siya ang actual site. So as you can see, I am at the highest point, no, and then elevated ang area, so wala siya baha dinhi. So yes, nag-start na sila og land development. So ang actual nga, so diri ang entrance, no, so ang site, ang development is palapad siya. So hangtod dito. So ang near niya is tapad siya sa Richmond Hill. And then makita nato di adto overlooking ang Bulonsari nga cemetery. So maka-assure gid mo nga peaceful diring kapita. And so this is new launch, new nga kanang development. So if you are interested and you want to know more, to avail, so gwapo gyud siya nga area, no, doon pa gyud siya sa downtown. So if you like to know more, please send me a message or comment down below. Thank you.